I love my new design. It's so gorgeous until I put it on upside down. Hi, it's Tara with Julibay Design Studio, and today I'm going to learn how to fix something that I ruined. I'm going to make a dark overlay to put in here and shrink up my text, and I'm going to test to see if I can fix this. I'm going to resub right over top of this area only. I created a dark version, and you can see there's lines in it a little bit from me not doing it on slow print, but I'm okay with that because this is a textured cup, so I'm just going to put it on anyway. So I'm basically going to put it right inside here over top of this. All right, I taped my image on as best as I could. I put lots of tape in on it, and I made sure it wasn't sticking up anywhere. There's no air bubbles in here, so I'm going to put a piece of paper around this and then shrink wrap it. Okay, I didn't really care about the paper. I just wanted it to cover my design for when I shrink wrap, so I don't have the shrink right on my cup. All right, wish me luck. It's all ready to go. All right, I'm going to try to do this with one hand. I was sitting here as I put it in the oven thinking, geez, I hope I put that label on the right way. I gotta switch hands, I'm right-handed. This might not work. I might not be able to reveal with one hand. Oh, here we go. Let's see. All right, it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. It would have worked perfectly if I'd have just done a black thing, but I think you can still read it. It's just there was too much black on the bottom there. So if I were to do this again, I would choose a much smaller saying to put over top of it, or thicker font. But you know what? Nana's getting it anyway. I think she'll still like it, and she'll get a kick out of the story. So if you make mistakes, you can fix them with dark. Just keep in mind all the black lines in there is from my previous text, right? So it still looks not too bad. It looks better than when it was upside down. So I think I can still gift this. She'll laugh.